Write and simplify expressions. 8 friends went to a ball game. The price per person was X dollars. So we don't know the price per person to get in. 4 of those friends paid an extra $6 for a player's guide program. Write an expression and simplify an expression that represents the total cost. So let's talk about what we do know. We know that there are 8 friends that went to the ball game. The price per person was X. We do not know how much it cost per person. Then 4 of them paid an extra $6 for a program. So let's write what we do know. 8 friends paid, I'm not sure how much per person to get in the ball game. So if I multiplied 8 times whatever X was, that would tell me how much it cost for all 8 of those people to get into the ball game. Then we're gonna add the expense of the program guides. 4 of those friends times $6, because there are 4 of them that paid $6 a piece for the programs. So this is the admission. This is for the guides. And let's see if we can simplify that at all. 8 times X, we don't know what X is, so it just stays 8X. That is our unknown. X is our variable. Then we have the guides. 4 of them times $6 would be $24. So I can simplify that part. But since I can't simplify the 8X, I'm gonna write it down just as it is. And this is the answer for simplifying the expression. You could go a step further. When we get to factoring, you can factor this out to make it be even in lower terms than it already is. By looking at this expression, we're thinking about the greatest common factor. What do you factor? What factors does 8 have? 1 times 8, 2 times 4. So let me just make me a list here. 1 times 8, 2 times 4. What do you have to multiply together to get 24? Let me come right here and list the factors of 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Those are the factors of 24. What's the greatest common factor listed? What is the greatest number that they have in common? 8. So if I was going to factor this, and this is going a step further than we're really ready for just yet. If I was going to factor this one out, I would take 8 out of this problem. If I factor 8 divided by 8 is 1, so I'm just left with X. 24 divided by 8 gives me 3. So to go back and check your work, if you did the distributive property here, you should get this answer. So if I did the distributive property to check my work, 8 times X would be 8X plus 8 times 3 would be 24. So going back, this is my answer, but this would be my simplified answer here with the distributive property.